Hey everyone, welcome to the unboxing and overview of SIGNI Pro 2-in-1 Pocket DSLR Kit. Opening up the box, the first thing that you will find inside is a premium hard case which is used to provide safety to the lens and also for ease of carrying. Keeping this case aside, the next thing that you will find inside the box is a card with all our contact information on it, so if you have any queries, please feel free to contact us. Moving on, there is some more paperwork which includes a link to our Instagram profile, a thank you card for buying the product, and also a leaflet to some of our other products. There's also an instruction manual provided in the box which is very important because it gives you step-by-step information on how to use this product. Now coming back to the premium hard case, this contains a couple of things. First up, you'll find the lenses themselves, the macro as well as the wide angle one. They are attached together and we'll get to the part of how to use them in just a bit. Apart from the lenses, you also get the clip that goes on to the camera module of your smartphone. The carry case also contains a hook and a microfiber cloth for keeping your lenses clean. So those were the contents of the box. Now let's go ahead and see how to use this product with your smartphone to capture some awesome pictures. So to use these lenses with your smartphone, you have to follow these simple steps. Number 1, screw the lens onto the clip. Number 2, clip the lens onto the smartphone. And number 3, make sure that the phone camera is at the center of the lens. Once you follow these steps, you are good to go and you can start shooting with these lenses. So there are two options. You can either shoot with the macro lens or you can shoot with the wide angle lens. To shoot with the macro lens, you have to remove the wide angle lens by rotating it anti-clockwise, and on the other hand, if you want to use the wide angle lens, then you have to screw it over the macro lens. You can get some pretty interesting shots using the macro as well as the wide angle lens like these over here. So this is how the SIGNI Pro 2-in-1 Pocket DSLR Kit works. Also, if you want to buy this product, the link will be available in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.